Anybody wey talk am say dis year 2026 e no go wan see us dey happy say e be enemy of progress. May God continue to dey put dem to shame. Una see all dis husband snatchers association of Nigeria or of the whole world, what they cannot do does not exist. When we thought that dis matter between Olakunle Churchill, Tonto Dike ex-husband with im wife Rosie Mora wey once be im secretary and once be his sister, when we think say the matter e don go down low, my people, e never go down low. May God let one miracle in our life put our enemies for inside katikati to dey run helter skelter. They don dey run helter skelter. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Because of say Churchill practically said it, that he is so happy being in the life of his son, that over the years he was waiting for a day like this to come. Now that day has finally come. He want to now play a father figure in the life of his son. Now Rosie, wey dey pray for am that time, say a day will definitely come. Don't worry, don't worry. Now that day don come. Rosie no wan gree again. Don't worry, e don dey worry. My people, make una draw una chair come closer, make una come hear matter wey dey ground. Dis koko wey dey ground so, e wear cover shoe, tie wrapper dey go market. Before I go cap una wetin dey sup, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name take beg una, make una help us subscribe, hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, make una settle down fear husband snatchers. Come settle down fear who no fear them. Come settle down, sit down, fear who no fear them. Because wetin they dish out, them themselves, they no fit collect half of am. E never reach anywhere. Na just settlement between father and son. Na im don dey cause this kitikiti and katakata. Now Olakunle Churchill, wey be Tonto Dike ex-husband, Setor, he want to be present in the life of his son now. And for the period of this time, he want to be there. After all, the children wey Rosie and Churchill get, he has always been there. There was never a time he skipped, unless say they travel. And sometimes they even they travel together. If they no travel together, then they. So now only that boy will be Andrell Churchill. Now only him. Now he never experienced fatherly love. Rather, now all this maybe uncles and their man of God, Pastor Jerry Eze, wey they call daddy. He never really experienced fatherly love. Say this one na my real biological father be this. He never experienced am before. Now this man come talk say he won't carry his son come house. Make he come even stay with his siblings. Make he come stay with siblings them. Make them get along. Say this one na my brother, this one na my sister. Make them get along. Because now today everybody know, nobody knows tomorrow. They say, Rosie say lie to lie. Let everything end outside. So he read the one way Olakunle Churchill come allegedly tell her say, if she no talk say she no go dey comfortable with his decision of bringing his son to the house to come and see where his father is living and the children his father gave birth to in his absence. If she no go gree that one, make she pack comot. Na im dey say Rosie carry phone start dey call im village people. Oh, e start dey call im parent o, say Tonto Dike wan come scatter her marriage with her husband Olakunle Churchill. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Na so she settle down come explain say Pastor Jerry Eze came. He said that Tonto Dike has repented and that she has forgiven him. She want to fulfill the wish of her son. Her son said he want to see the father, and she anything wey go make her son happy, na im she wan dey do now. And anything, and God has already healed her of all the grudges and everything wey she carry for mind. She is now a new being, new creature, new person, new human being. So as such, she want to do everything humanly possible to sha make her son happy and make everybody around her happy. Na im the pastor Jerry Eze come now, come perfect what God has started, come emerge the two, father and son, and mama and her ex-husband. He merge them together, say toh make dem come together to give the son the best life and treat him right as a son, and give him the best treatment as a father. And already the mother dey do her best, of which Olakunle Churchill don confirm am say the mother is an amazing person. She has really taught the boy a lot of things, how to be compassionate, how to be loving, how to be kind, how to be this. Like he gave her the accolade, give her flower for that. That is no be say because of say na only him you get and you be single mother, you go come dey do the boy beje make he dey do some kind things. That she really settle down, shift back, train the boy to some extent that he really appreciate. Na so she take explain am say now the issue be say the husband now don dey forget where im dey come from. Na Tonto Dike pikin now, na im come be im bone of contention. E wan come carry am come house to come do wetin she no know. Na im dey say the mama and the papa of the Rose, her village people dem wey she call, dey come talk say toh if na like that, since she don want the boy in her home, because according to her reasons, which I no know whether to una, because my opinion does not really count, so I no even dey like drop my own opinion. According to her own point of view, she say she no want in a situation whereby the boy will now come home, God forbid bad thing, purge come catch am, they go come talk say na she do am. So make dem dey do their relationship for outside, make dem no carry am come inside. Now the mama say since na like that, they go call the family of the Olakunle Churchill, report this matter to am. Say ever since you say this person come, see o, my daughter is no longer comfortable, see o. After which her people now called Olakunle Churchill. Una know say according to the information, they say where people wey born Olakunle Churchill, the papa na man of God like that. That is, no be say man of God say pastor o, but e dey try when it comes to religion, to being a religious person, to call a spade, and he's so straightforward. Na im dey say the man come talk say no now, say these people came because of you. These people no know this matter wey you dey carry dey go so. Say why my son go come talk say he wan carry the pikin come house without im mama. After they explain to Olakunle Churchill people be that o, they say no now, why Olakunle Churchill go come accept to carry the pikin come house when the mama no go dey there. Say no, even him, he no advise that. If Tonto Dike will not come to stay and she wan leave only the boy, say no, it's not allowed. So they go call Olakunle Churchill, explain everything for am, say e no suppose to be like that. Now when they come call Olakunle Churchill, say toh see o, see wetin we hear, say they say you wan carry this son of yours come back house make e come stay. Have you seen the implication of this that? Na im dey say Olakunle Churchy say there is no implication anywhere. Of course the mother know say e no go wan hurt im son, neither would dis im wife want to hurt the son. Now pipu for comment section come dey talk say dey go advise Tonto Dike make she no even allow Churchill carry dat pikin go Rosie place for the fact say she don dey make all dis kain short excuses. Is not even allowed. Make she no carry dat pikin go dat place. Make she hold her pikin. Anytime wey the papa wan see am, make e come see am for her side, or make im book a place where they go go see each other. Then when they are done seeing each other, taking their self out, the boy should return back to im mama. Dat way respect will not only be there, they go respect their self, and at the same time, even if backyard talk wan come dey, e go be say na anybody wey wan talk na im just dey talk. They don fulfill all righteousness. My pipu, dis one wey be say e don dey involve family on top of dis matter, so na im you go know say no be small thing dey happen o. Now Rosie e never reach anywhere, you don carry matter for head. You don dey seek put on top of wetin kwano say dem later get reconciliation, say because God later talk to Tonto Dike and touch her heart towards forgiving and making dis father and son relationship to come to stay. Na dat one na im just be the problem wey come dey on ground now. Na wow! Come dey involve family here and there. Now the papa of the Churchill say im go even call Churchill, advise am on what to do. Say elder no go fit dey for house, goat go come born with rope for im neck. Im go call im son, talk to im son. But make Rosie sha know talk say is not a thing at all to start dey back and forth say you dey quarrel your husband. Say if she come dey quarrel am, dey push am out, she dey only dey push am to where im go dey loved and appreciated. Dat way now, second wife go come into the matter and it's not going to make sense. So she should apply sense, caution to everything wey she dey do. Say as for their son Churchill, they are going to call him to conclude on what to do. My pipu, una dey feel say make Tonto Dike too no gree make her son even come the house, or nothing go happen? Let her just respect herself in her lane and allow those children to be free with their father. What are your take? Make una come make we interact. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.